In a significant legal development, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit has invalidated the Federal Communications Commission's (FCC) net neutrality regulations, which were reinstated in April 2024. The court determined that the FCC exceeded its statutory authority by classifying broadband internet services as telecommunications services under Title II of the Communications Act, rather than as information services. This ruling effectively removes federal prohibitions that prevented internet service providers, ISPs, from practices such as blocking, throttling, or engaging in paid prioritization of lawful online content. The court's decision was influenced by the recent Supreme Court ruling in Loper Bright Enterprises versus Raimondo, which curtailed the deference previously granted to federal agencies in interpreting ambiguous laws. FCC Chairwoman Jessica Rosenworcel expressed disappointment, emphasizing the need for legislative action to ensure an open and fair internet. She stated, "With this decision, it is clear that Congress now needs to heed their call, take up the charge for net neutrality, and put open internet principles in federal law." Conversely, FCC Commissioner Brendan Carr, who is expected to assume the chairmanship, welcomed the court's decision, describing it as a victory against regulatory overreach. He remarked, "The court's decision is a significant win for consumers, broadband deployment, and the free and open internet." The debate over net neutrality has been a contentious issue in U.S. telecommunications policy, with varying regulations implemented and subsequently repealed over the past decade. This recent court ruling introduces further uncertainty regarding the future regulatory framework governing internet services. As the FCC's authority to enforce net neutrality is now in question, the onus may shift to Congress to establish clear and lasting legislation to address the principles of an open internet.